the first content of your decision science, that is measurement of your central tendency. So in case of measurement of central tendency, just wait, a few people are requesting to join. So, okay, allow, admit, okay. So in case of measurement of central tendency, if you go to the definition wise, this is particular method or techniques basically used to find the central line of a series of data by the help of mean, mode, and median. So if you go to the definition of measurement of central tendency, it is also known as central values or measure of location or a average of first order of a set of data. So in case of average, it is the value which typically or representative of set of data. So as you know, in case of statistics or in case of decision science, we are directly use various form of data, whether it should be individual series, whether it should be discrete series or on group series, or the final one is your continuous series. So moving to the next ones. So these are the properties of your measurement of central tendency. So if you go to the property wise, first it should be rigidly defined. Every average or every central lines or every location in a set of data, that should be rigidly defined. The next part is its definition should be in the form of mathematical formulas. So whenever you use any kind of measurement of central tendency by the use of mathematical formula, it should be easy to understand and easy to calculate. That everybody should, starting from top to bottom level, they are easy to understand the formula, and by the help of the number of data, whether it should be the number of observation, whether it should be number of your frequency, that should be easily calculated. The next part is based on all item in the series. It should be in case of measurement of central tendency, it should be directly based on the item in the particular series. The next part is that it should be capable of being used in case of further statistical computation. So these are basically the properties of measurement of central tendency. Moving to the next slide. So in case of just a minute, hold on a second.
Sir, voice is not audible. Hello.
I think sir is not there.
Just wait. That's a technical problem in case of video. I will fix it and then we'll proceed for the slide. Okay, hello. If
Yes,
my voice
sir.
is audible. Okay, sorry for the
Yes,
interruption.
sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
your senior will appear the online examination due to some technical issues that directly concern me. Being a exam in charge, I will responsible for all kind of technical difficulties during online examination. So sorry for that. Uh, Moving to the first slide, I just repeats that this in case of properties of measurement of central tendency, as you know, most of the central lines or your average should be rigidly defined, and that should be the definition of your measurement of central tendency, whether it should be mean, mode, or median. In that case, it should be mathematically presented. The next part is it is easy to understand. The next is it is easy to calculate. And this average or central line, that should be based upon the item in this particular series, whether it should be individual series, whether it should be your discrete series, whether it should be continuous series. The next important part is that in case of it is capable of, it is being used in case of further statistical computation or processings. Then moving to the next ones. These are the different measurement of central tendency, whether it should be arithmetic mean, median, or mode. We'll discuss one by one. First, we will directly discuss your arithmetic mean or simple means. Then moving to the next one, these are the various data form of starting from individual series, starting from discrete series or on group data series. The next is continuous series or group data series. So this should be properly used, or in case of hold on a second. Just a second, just a second. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Big sorry from my side. Just hold a second. We'll continuously continue this particular class. Okay. Just a second. Okay. So, is the PPT visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir. Yes.
So here we have used various type of data series. First one is individual series. Second one is discrete series, and the third one
Yes,
is
sir.
continuous series. Just mute your microphone. Then moving to the first case, in case of your individual series data, these are the arrangement of raw data individually, and it can be expressed in two ways. That is, as you told, or as you tell, in case of alphabetical arrangement or alphabetical order, Or second one is in case of array, that is ascending or descending order. So here the typical example of marks in case of mathematics in a class of 20 students. So you can arrange either ascending order in case of descending order, or in case of alphabetical order. Then moving to the next ones, in case of discrete series or on-group series, these data, if you go to the discrete series point of view, or you consider it as on-group point of view, these data are presented in the along with your frequencies. So if you go to the frequencies, it is the rate at which something occur over a particular period of time in a given samples. So here, in case of on-group or discrete series, we have age of students, that is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the number of appearance in the time interval of a particular group or particular sample is given respectively, that is 4, 12, 21, 8, and 5. Similarly, moving to the continuous series, a particular class interval of data is given in the continuous form along with frequency. These are known as your continuous series, and these are calculated with the, you can say that is the cumulative frequencies, that is 4 plus 12, that is 16, then 16 plus 21, that is 37. Again, your 37 plus 8, that is 45, along with the frequency mode. So if you go to the individual series or discrete series, the basic difference between individual series of data, there is no frequency is considered in case of individual series, but in case of discrete and continuous series, the frequency is considered along with the period of time in a given samples of data. Then moving to the next ones. So these are the four methods basically used to calculate the measurement of central tendency. The first method is direct method. The second one is shortcut method. And the third one is step deviation method. And the fourth one is short test methods. So we will going to solve some numerical on direct method as well as shortcut methods in case of arithmetic means. So just note down the first formula of arithmetic in the form of simple means. Just all of you just note down the formula, then we'll proceed from numericals. So if you go to the arithmetic means, it is adding all observations and dividing the sum by number of observations, and the result is known as arithmetic mean or simple mean. So suppose we have the following observation, that is 10, 15, 37, 42, 79, and 83 respectively. In that case, there are 7 number of observations are there, and then symbolically the arithmetic mean should be calculated, that is x bar, or you consider it as arithmetic mean or average or simple mean is you can mathematically express as x bar equals to summation of x divided by n. So here n stands for your number of observation and x bar stands for simple mean. Calculate the simple means, that means you just add all the observation, that means 10 plus 15 plus 30 plus 7 plus 42 plus 79 plus 83 divided by 7. So if you calculate the all 7 observation, that equals to 266, and your n stand for number of observation, that is 7, and that equals to 38. So here the simple mean equals to 38. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Do not switch on your microphone. You can directly text on the chat box that I will see who are going to understand the upcoming numericals. Those are we are going to be solved. Okay. Then moving to the first method, just note down the formula. In case of direct method, refers to individual series. So here, this is a typical example. Here, the formula for direct method is x bar equals to summation of x divided by n. So here, n stands for total number of observation in a populations. So here, typical, if you go to the example point of view, in case of individual series, which represent x, and x contain the following numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By applying this direct method, that is x bar equals to summation of n divided by n. That means adding all 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equals to 35, and here the number of observation is 5. That if you put this particular data on the formula, you can get 7. So here, in case of direct method, refer to individual series. If you calculate the arithmetic mean, that equals to 7. Moving to the next one. So calculate this one. All of you calculate this one. What is the answer from your side? Anyone? Priti Pragyananda, okay, fine, 38. Sakshi Agrawal, 38. Rosalind Patnaik, 38, okay, fine. Samir Ranjan Kara, okay. Latikant Kara, Robin Kumar, Salini Patra, Pritisna Jena, Sanjay Sahu, Pritam Palai, Rashmi Rekha Rautre, fine, fine. Okay, then moving to the next one. It is my personal advice to all of you that during each session, you must note down these formulas. Okay. Then moving to the next one, direct method for discrete or on-group series. Just note down this one. So here, the formula for direct method in case of discrete series, x bar equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. So here, summation of fx equals to your number of observation, that is n. I repeat, here, in case of discrete series, we are using summation of f equals to n. In that case, you can directly use the formula to calculate the value. So if you go to the examples, we have the following value in case of x and their respective frequencies given. In case of 5, the frequency is 2. In case of 6, the frequency is 3. In case of 7, the frequency is 1. In case of 8, the frequency is 4. And in case of 9, the frequency is 5. In that case, first you have to find summation of f. That means 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5, that equals to 15. And by multiplying f into x, that is 5 into 2 equals to 10. Then 6 into 3, in case of second row, 6 into 3, that is 18. In case of 7 into 1, that is 7. In case of fourth row, that is 8 into 4, that is 32. And for the last row, that is 9 into 5, that equals to 45. In this regard, you can calculate the summation of fx, that equals to 10 plus 18 plus 7 plus 32 plus 45, that equals to 112. So you are already getting the values, summation of fx along with summation of f by put this particular data in the formula, that is 112 divided by 15, that equals to 7.47 in case of discrete series. Then moving to the next one. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. I just delete this one to calculate all the things. Okay, you can calculate this example. Here, in case of x, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 is given, and the respective frequency are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First calculate first calculate summation of f, then calculate f into x. I will ask the question each and every one during the entire sessions. So be ready with your pen and your notebook. Okay, Rosalind Patnaik, 36.66. Okay, Subran Supanda, Priti Pragyananda, okay. Rajesh Patra, fine. Priyanka Das. Swati Naik, are you there? What is your answer? Swati Naik. Shakti Prasad, are you there? What is your answer? Okay, 36. Then moving to the next one. I think all of you already done this particular one. So if you go to the calculation point of view, I'll show the answers. Okay, so this is the answer. If you calculate the summation of f, that equals to 15. In case of f into x, that is 10 into 1, 10, 20 into 2, that is 40 for second row. In case of third row, that is 30 into 3, that is 90. In case of fourth row, that is 40 into 4, 160. And for the last row, 50 into 5, that is 250. So if you add the summation of fx, that is 550. So if you put this particular value in the formula, that is 550 divided by 15, that is 36.67. Clear? Then moving to the next one. Okay, fine. Moving to the next one for next series of data, that is continuous series. Just note down this particular formula. That is x bar equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f, and here n equals to your summation of f, and x stand for your mid value. Here the typical example. In case of x, the range of data is given for the first row, that is 0 to 5. Which is represented along with the frequency 2. Similarly, for 5 to 10, the frequency is 3. Similarly, for third row, 10 to 15, the frequency is 4. For the last row, that is 15 to 20, the frequency is 3. In this case, you make a particular tables. All of you just note down this particular data, then we will solve this one. In this one, you just make a particular tables, that is x in the first column, and f in the second column, and the next one is x. The x represent here in case of continuous series, that is the mid value. That means if you calculate the mid value, that means from the x column, that from starting from 0 to 5, that means for calculating x or mid value, a particular range is given in case of x. So that means 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Similarly, if you go to the second row, that is 5 plus 10 divided by 2, that equals to 7.5. Similarly, for the third row, that is 10 plus 15 divided by 2, that is 12.5. And the last row, that is 15 plus 20 divided by 2, that is 17.5. So if you calculate f into x, here you cannot multiply with the first column, the second column into your third column in case of fx. That means 2.5 into 2, that equals to 5. Then again 3 into 7.5, that equals to 22.5. The next one is 12.5 into 4, that equals to 50. And for the last row, that is 17.5 into 3, that is 52.5. In this regard, you can calculate summation of fx, that equals to 130. By using the above formula, that is x bar equals to summation of fx divided by summation of f. In this case, the total summation of fx is equals to 130, and here the summation of f, that is n, equals to 12. I can get the value 10.85. Clear? I think all of you gone through this particular table. Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
to all? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So let's solve a particular numericals. Just a minute, I will just erase this one. Just calculate this one. I will call your name. You can drop your answer, or as well as you can drop your answer in the chat box. Try to solve as early as possible. So we have already 5 to 10 minutes interruption due to this particular online examination. Pritam Pallai, are you there?
Yes, sir. Solving.
Okay, good. Sanjay Sahu. Sanjay Sahu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ये देखो मैथमेटिक्स है, ये सुनने से नहीं होगा. ट्राई टू सॉल्व.
सर कहते हैं.
क्लियर? So these are the basics of your decision science. If you're not going to solve this one, you have to face so many problems in the upcoming classes. It is my personal advice to all of you, make a separate copy for decision science, because there is no chance of your theories. Okay, so this particular subject is contain only numericals, starting from the module 1 to module 3. Clear? But there are some easy methods. Okay, Priyanka Das, that is 20.5. Okay. Kriti Pragyananda, that is not 24, 25.1 is wrong. Wrong answer that is. Rojalin Pandai, not 19.95, not, that is wrong answer. Shalini Patra, okay, fine. Pratyasa De, fine. Charles Knight, fine. Raja Maling, fine. Ratika Anthakar, fine. Priti Nepali also fine, 20.5. Priti Ranjan Vishwal, fine. Rasmika Rautre, fine. Whose name is New Fashion Studio? Change your name, because in case of customized name, you put what absent against his or her name. So don't put Rocky Honey Singh like this. Okay. So moving to the next one. I will show the answer particularly. The answer is 20.5. Okay, so if you calculate the mid value in the first case, that is 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5. Similarly, 5 plus 15 divided by 2, that is 10. In case of mid value, the next one is 15 plus 35 divided by 2, that equals to 25. Then again, 35 plus 45 divided by 2, that equals to 40. And for the last one, 45 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 47.5. So if you calculate these values along with your summation of, just a minute, summation of f that equals to your, how much? Summation of f, that
50.
is 50. Okay, fine, 50. And here the f into x equals to how much? Summation of fx.
Sir, 1025.
1025 divided by 50, that equals to 20.5. That is the final answer. Here, moving to the next one. The next method is, just note down this formula in case of shortcut method for individual series. So in case of shortcut method, the formula is summation of x equals to a. Here a stands for assume means, and summation of fd divided by n. The d equals to x minus a. That means the given, that is the data content include in case of a minus your assume mean, and n stand for number of item or number of observation. So here the typical example here, in case of x, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and their d value are calculated as per the given a. Here a equals to 5. That means 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Then again, x minus a, here x is 6 minus 1, 6 minus 5, that equals to 1. If you go to the third row, that is 7 minus 5, that equals to 2. I repeat, here a5 is always given in the questions. Then if you go to the fourth row, that is 8 minus 5, that equals to 3. For the last row, 9 minus 5, that equals to 4. So if you calculate this particular value, that is summation of fd equals to 10. So by putting this value in the formula, that is x bar equals to, here your a is given, that is 5, and summation of fd is equal to 10, and number of observation is 5, that equals to, if you calculate this one, that equals to 7. Just note down immediately. If you finish, anyone from your side, just type or drop a text in the chat box that, oh, done. Okay, fine. So moving to the example. Just erase this particular data. Okay, so calculate this one as early as possible. Here, the assume mean is given 8. So what is the value for first row?
3. 0, 0.
Okay, 0. Similarly, calculate x minus 10. First one is 0, the second one is 4, again third is 8, that is 16 minus 8 equals to 8, then again 18 minus 8 is equal to 10, and 24 minus 8 equals to 16. Here. Then calculate the summation of FD, that equals to how much? 4 plus 8 plus 10 plus 16, that equals to how much? 8 plus 10 plus 16.
38.
38.
38. To put this particular value on the formula, sorry, in the formula. Those who are solved, check your answer. Okay, Shalini Patra is okay. Shivani Jana, what is your answer? Okay, fine. Moving to the next one, next data series. So here, in case of shortcut method for discrete or on-group series, here the formula for discrete series, that is summation of, x bar equals to a plus summation of ft divided by n. Find the mean. Here the a is given. Then this method, the most important thing is that the frequency is already given along with this, the data in the form of on-group series. If you go to the data point of view, for the first column represent x, that includes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and their frequencies is given 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. So if you calculate this one, you can just eliminate this particular part, just delete this columns to solve this one. So in this, make it for the first step to calculate the or to calculate the mean value. First, you make a tables that contain 4 number of column, that is x, f, d, and fd. In this regard, first you have to calculate the d value. That means here that a is given 8 by the help of x. That means 5 minus 8, that equals to minus 3. Then again 6 minus 8, that equals to minus 2. For the third row, that is 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. For the fourth row, 8 minus 8, that equals to 0. For the last row, that is 9 minus 8, that equals to 1. So similarly, if you multiply with f into d, that means 2 into minus 3. For the last column, if you multiply with frequency with your difference value, that is 2 into minus 3, that equals to minus 6. For second row, 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. For third row, that is 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 4 into 0, that equals to 0. For the last row, 5 into 1, that equals to 5. In this regard, you can calculate the summation of FD, that equals to minus 8. That means if you calculate from minus point of view, that is minus 13, and from positive side, that is 5. The value is minus 9. If you add this one, the minus side is higher side, that is minus 8 is the value of summation of FD. Then put this particular value on the formula. That is a is given 8, and the value of summation of FD is minus 8. And here the number of observation, I repeat, except individual series, you can use the value of n. You can use the value of, I repeat, in case of n, you can use the value of summation of f. So here we can also write, just note down in the bottom, I have just edited here, including discrete method or discrete series or continuous series, the n equals to your summation of f. It should be kept in mind whenever you solve in various method like your direct method, shortcut method. So except individual method, there is no use of summation of fx. So here the total well, or you can say it is the final value of mean is equal to 7.47. Clear? Shall I go to next slide?
सर
Yes.
सर वो जो एज्यूम 8 है वो हर क्वेश्चन में दिया होगा या हमें अच्छा ठीक है
In case of your online exam or offline exam, that value is already provided in your questions. Without that value, it cannot be performed to calculate this particular numerical methods. Clear? So moving to the next one. I just delete, just a minute. Delete these data.
सर वो टेबल मैंने लिख नहीं पाया, जरा दिखाएंगे पिछले वाला
This one.
या पीछे वाला?
Is it visible?
Yes sir.
Okay, just note down.
Sir, n is equal to 15 कैसे?
Here, in case of this, sum of f is equal to it is not sigma, it is summation. The symbol is summation.
Okay.
Summation of f is equal to number of observation in case of discrete and continuous series. But in case of individual series, here n equals to number of observations. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Done sir. Done sir.
Okay. Try to solve this one. So here a is given 10. Pratyash, are you solving?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sakshi overall. Correct answer. Priyadesh, correct. Shivanjana, correct answer. Preeti Pragyanandat, correct. Real Chatwai, correct. Pratyasha Raut, correct. Pratyasha De, correct. Okay. So how many Pratyasha belong to your class? So many Pratyasha are there. Okay. Priyanka Sahu, Robin Kumar, fine. Pratish Kumar, okay. Rajashi Swain, fine. Okay. So most of the students are did the correct answer. I will show that particular things. Okay, just note down those who are not written. Just eliminate these columns. This one not needed. Okay, in case of first one, that is a is given 10, 10 minus 10, 0. For second one, that is 20 minus 10, that is 10. Again, for the third row, 30 minus your 20, sorry, 30 minus 10, that is 20. 40 minus 10, that is 30. And for the last row, that is 50 minus 10 equal to 40. So similarly, if you calculate f into d, that is 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 10, 30, 4 into 20, 80, 3 into 30, 90, 2 into 40, 80. So if you calculate the summation of fd, that equals to 280, and summation of f, that equals to n, equal to your 14. So if you calculate by using this particular formula, that is x bar equals to a plus summation of fd divided by n. So here a is given 10, 10 plus 280 divided by 14, that equals to 30. 30 is your answer. So moving to solve next series of data, that is known as shortcut method for continuous series. So here we have the same formula, that is x bar equals to a plus summation of fd divided by n. So here I repeat, n equals to summation of f, and a is given 7.5. So if you go to the respective given data in the form of x and frequencies, you know, in case of continuous series, a particular range is given, that is 0 to 5, which contains frequency 2. For 5 to 10, the frequency is 4. For 10 to 15, the frequency is 4. The 15 to 20, the frequency is 3. So if you go to solve this particular problem by help of shortcut method, first you make a tables which have around 5 number of columns. First column belong to your x, second column belong to frequency, that means 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals to 12. That summation of f is equal to n equals to 12. Then if you calculate the mid value, that means 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that equals to 2.5. Then again 5 plus 10 equals to 15 divided by 2 equals to 7.5. 10 plus 15, that equals to 25 divided by 2 equals to 12.5. Then the last one, 15 plus 20, that is 35 divided by 2, 17.5. So if you calculate the d, here a is given. In case of mid value, that means 2.5 minus 7.5, that equals to minus 5. Then again 7.5 minus 7.5, that is 0. For the third row, 12.5 minus 7.5, that equals to 5. For the last row, 17.5 minus 7.5, that equals to 10. If you calculate the f into day, that means 2 into minus 5 equals to minus 10. Similarly, for the second row, 3 into 0, that equals to 0. For the third row, 4 into 5, that equals to 20. For the fourth row, 3 into 10, that equals to 30. So similarly, if you calculate the value of summation of fd, that equals to 40. That means 50 minus 10, that equals to 40. So by applying this particular method or formula in case of continuous series, we have the assumed mean is given 7.5, summation of fd equal to 40, and number of observation or summation of frequency, that is 12. If you calculate this one, the answer is 10.83. Moving to the next one, try to solve here. I will solve, I'll just add another one. I'll just eliminate this one. Okay. Try to solve here. Just note down these particular things. Okay. We'll directly switch to next. Okay, calculate this one. Try to solve this one. Here a is given 2.5. Try to solve this one. Sanjeev Biswal, are you solving?
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Okay. Shakti Prasad.
So solving, trying.
Okay, fine. Pratyasha De.
That's solving, sir.
Okay, fine. Anyone? No, wrong answer. Okay, fine. 21.27, correct. Check your answer. Only one person has solved. That means except only one person, except few person, all of you or from your side are not understand the objective of this shortcut method as well as the direct method. As I told, first make a table which contains 5 number of column. So first column X, second column F, and third column represent mid value, then the fourth one represent D value, and finally make a column that represent F into D. So in case of mid value, first one is 2.5. The second one is 7.5. Third one is 12.5. Similarly, 17.5. Just calculate up to the last one. That is 47.5. Sorry, that is
42.5.
42.5. Then after you proceed for D. Here D is given, sorry, A is given is your 2.5. What about others? Still solving? Okay, fine. 21.27 correct answer. 3, only 3 from your side. Out of 59 students, only 3 will solve. Okay, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8, 9, 10, 11. Priti Ranjan Vishal, have you solved this one? Okay, Subrasu Panda. Okay, fine. Rasmi Hemram, Shalini Patra, Priyanka Manti. Okay, moving to the next one. So this one for your day 1 assignment. Okay, just note down these questions. We have few seconds left around. Just note down all of you. So this one, make a particular class note copy or separate assignment copy for this session. And each session I will provide